next thing is sound effects, and we're going to have Bala and Brock. And if we could please, let's see, we need 2 people from the audience. Hold on. Go ahead, Terry.
I do a great shot. A guy drinking his beer right now with the glasses. Yeah. Don't make us force you, because we will.
There you go. And that's Pierce. And your name is?
Oh, geez.
This is Logan. Everybody give Pierce and Logan a round of applause, please. Okay, so Bala and Brock are going to act out a scene of space explorers who came across something very mysterious. And Pierce and Logan are going to make the sound effects for the scene. You're space explorers, and you're out exploring, and you found something very mysterious.
Push that button to land. Okay, it's a loud button. It's a loud button?
Squeak!
It worked though. Alright, and oh, I think we landed on a dog. Or a dog, at least it wasn't a child. Okay, we're done. I'm gonna lower the space doors. Sorry, I was messing with my chopsticks. I can push the buttons now. Who put that ping pong ball around here? It's a mess in here. You should clean up. I'm sorry. It's a small space. All right, and the button. There it is. The doors. It's a big, heavy door. It's lowering. You need help? No. What's wrong with you? To WD-40, man. Lubricate. All right. Now, I've always wanted to say this. One small step for man, one giant leap. Sorry, I had it.
Squeak!
I've been working now. I think my respirator is active. I think there's mice inside of my nose. I am your father. Okay. All right, so there's been weird sightings by our robot on the planet, not called Curiosity, but called
Squeak!
Mickey Mouse. Oil can. There, oil can. So Tin Man 305. So the thing is, there are extraterrestrials here. Sorry, I shouldn't have farted in this. I didn't know you could get signal out here. Hello? I can't bring you milk. I'm on a different planet. Mom, shut up! Tell her I said hi. Stepping up on her. Okay. Aliens! Okay, let me grab my gun. I thought I heard something. I thought that sounded like a gun. Okay. I'm gonna grab my gun too. Just jump into a pool of WD-40, man. I hate the way it feels on my skin. Oh, I heard something scurry. No, I didn't. Anything scurry? Oh, there's something scurrying. Did you just rip your pants? Is that why I'm losing air? No. Oh, okay, we're good. I just have to hold my butt. We're fine. I've got this. Nothing behind that. go on ahead. I'll stand back here.
Ooh.
So words sound rock. Who knew that the whole mystery of this planet was that they had singing rocks?
Ooh.
And ghosts!
Paula, you gotta get 200 points just for holding your blood.
Then I should too. I mean,
All right, you can have 200 then.
can I have 200 points?
No,
Handle.
it isn't. Really? Okay.
There's no fun.
No, you don't. It's all right.
Move on, please.
Okay, yeah.